fingerprint enrollment and verification. To start using the FingerTech H2i, you will have to enroll users into the terminal first. It is recommended to enroll 2 fingers per user into the terminal, in case the terminal has trouble reading one of the fingers. These fingerprint templates can be downloaded into the TCMS V2 software, and can be uploaded into another reader, without having to re-enroll the user again. You are advised to use a record form to assist you during enrollment. We have created a user enrollment template form for you as a guide to record important data of the user. The form should contain relevant information such as the terminal ID, the user ID, the employee number, the name of the staff, the department he or she belongs, the IC number, how many fingers are enrolled, and the date of enrollment. The form also must have a remark section to note down any problem with the user's template, such as injured fingers or fingers difficult to enroll, and etc. During enrollment, you have to make sure that the quality of the fingerprint is good. First, you have to check that the center point of the finger has to be placed in the middle of the scanner during enrollment to get a good reading. Also, you should make sure that the fingers enrolled are not too wet or too dry during enrollment to get a good reading later on.